Hello students, in this video I will share some important topic from Unit 4. So most important topics from Unit 4 is work done by a constant force and a variable force. Next, work energy theorem and definition of power and numerical problems. Then motion in a vertical circle, and last one is elastic and inelastic collisions in 1 and 2 dimensions. And from this unit I will show you the deleted topic. So from Unit 4, deleted topics are kinetic energy, then potential energy of a spring. So these topics are deleted for this year. So from here you will find the definition of work and work done by a constant force. W is equals to Fs. Now work done by variable force. So from here you can write the note, work done by a variable force. So you have to start from here and up to this with this diagram, up to equation 4 and with this diagram. What is the question? Question is, derive the equation for work done by a variable force. Work done by a constant force is W is equals to Fs. Okay, and work done by a variable force, the answer is up to equation 4. Next, work energy theorem. So this theorem also, this work energy theorem is for variable force. Okay, this is work energy theorem for variable force. So for this theorem you have to start from here and you have to derive up to equation 6, and this line also, work done is equals to change in kinetic energy. Work done is equals to change in kinetic energy. Next, this relation also important, relation between kinetic energy and linear momentum. Next, for motion in a vertical circle, you can follow the note, motion in a vertical circle, this one, up to equation VA is equals to root over GL and TA is equals to 0. So this is the note for motion in a vertical circle. And the most important topic from this unit is collision, that means elastic and inelastic collision. So this is elastic collision, this is the definition for inelastic collision. And elastic collision in 1 dimension, from here this question is important. You have to derive up to this equation 28. Show that in 1 dimensional elastic collision, relative velocity of separation after collision is equal to relative velocity of approach before collision. So this is the question. Show that in 1 dimensional elastic collision, relative velocity of separation after collision is equal to the relative velocity approach before collision. So you have to derive up to equation 28 and you have to start from here, elastic collision in 1 dimension, and with this figure, with all this equation, you have to derive up to equation 28. And here is the note for perfectly inelastic collision in 1 dimension. And here is the work energy theorem for a constant force. Already I discussed or I mentioned the work energy theorem for variable force, but this one is different. This one is for constant force. And for motion along a vertical circle, you can follow this note also. And here work done by a variable force. And you have to follow all numericals from your textbook and other theory also. Thank you for watching.